Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on the LENOVO Tab M7. To do this you need to open your Google Play Store, then in a search enter Firefox, and select install. When it's ready, click on the open. Then we can customize the browser by changing the theme, picking a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, then change privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, and from here Firefox is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.